Looking for a sweet dish that's quick, creamy, and festive? Vermicelli Sabudana Kheer is the perfect choice. This kheer is surely make everyone at home ask for a second bowl. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. Take 1 cup of sabudana in a bowl. Wash it 2 to 3 times in water until the water runs clear. After washing, soak the sabudana in just enough water for about 20 minutes. Now heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. Now add 7 to 8 chopped almonds, chopped cashew-nuts and raisins. Fry them lightly until the nuts turn golden. This will release a wonderful aroma and enhance the flavor of the kheer. Once done, remove the nuts and raisins and keep in a plate. Next add 1/4 cup vermicelli and 1/4 cup of makhana or foxnuts. Roast them all together in ghee for about 2 minutes until crisp. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Once done, remove the foxnuts and add 3 cups of milk. Now add the soaked sabudana. Mix well and let it cook on low flame. As it cooks, the sabudana pearls will slowly turn transparent, showing that they are ready. This step usually takes 10 to 12 minutes until the sabudana becomes soft. Now I am adding half cup of sugar. Mix until it dissolves completely. Now I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. Finally, I am adding the roasted nuts, fox nuts and raisins into the kheer. Mix gently so that all the dry fruits mix well with the milk and sabudana. Now it's ready for serving. Vermicelli Sabudana Kheer is a delightful mix of creamy milk, soft sabudana, roasted vermicelli, and crunchy nuts that makes every bite comforting. This kheer is perfect for any time. Try it once and it will surely become a family favorite dessert. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.